Everything is content. 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 Yes, it's going down Saturday night. These are some diced potatoes and bell peppers and onions, red and white. This is some fennel rice and some Brussels sprouts, and this is some avocado and some tomatoes, and I'm gonna add a banana. Everything is content. Everything is content. I like to eat, and I'm gonna have a treat. I hope you like to eat like I like to eat, and if you like to eat like I like to eat, you're gonna eat. Yeah, just as healthy as you can. It's a little bit starchy, I know, the rice and the potatoes. Yeah, I understand all of that, but we got some fresh tomatoes, and I got a fresh banana over there, and I'm doing my best to gain a few pounds. I done slimmed down more than I really want to, and I mean, it's my image, and I'm hungry though, for real. Peace, love, and light. Healing.